guys, welcome back to Fresh OP. In today's video, we'll talk about one more latest off-campus placement opportunity from TCS. So TCS is all set to conduct a mega off-campus drive for all the TCS Smart Hiring. So in this video, we'll discuss all the things related to this TCS Smart Hiring. We'll discuss about the registration date, how one can register for the same, the end date of this registration, about the test, about the eligibility criteria, the educational qualifications which are eligible for this drive, and how one can register for the same. So we'll discuss all these things in a detailed manner. So please don't skip the video in between and watch the video till the end so that you can get a complete idea over this opportunity from TCS Smart Hiring. So TCS is all set to hire more than 10,000 candidates through this off-campus drive. So one must apply for this opportunity. So this is a very good opportunity. So further we'll discuss about the details. So the registration date for the same is 10th of Feb. So 10th of Feb is the last date to apply for the TCS Smart Hiring, and the test dates will be 18th and 19th of Feb. So on 18th and 19th of Feb they'll conduct the test required for the same, and the interview dates will be, so once you clear the test they will mail you regarding the further procedures about the interviews. And so here they have mentioned detailed information. So we'll discuss all these things one by one. So very firstly about Smart Hiring year of passing 2021. So TCS Smart is hiring for BSc, BCA, BE Vocational and BCS students from the year of passing 2021 batches in the streams of computer science, IT, statistics, chemistry, electronics and maths. So make sure this job is particularly for only 2021 batch only. And talking about the TCS Ignite, and we'd like to highlight that students who perform exceptionally well during our selection process will get an opportunity to join TCS Ignite, TCS's unique science to software, an initiative that trains you on the latest and trending technologies and opens up a full-fledged global IT career. So here they have mentioned those who will top in the TCS Smart Hiring process. So they are going to give them an opportunity to join TCS Ignite. This is a initiative from TCS to train all the toppers of TCS Smart Hiring. Make sure you prepare well so that you can get that TCS Ignite. And further talking about the TCS Smart Hiring application process. So how one can apply for the same. So it is mandatory for students who are interested to apply for TCS Smart Hiring to register on the below links. So I will provide this official link in the description box of the video, and also I will provide these are the sub links like how about the NQT registration link and all the other links they have mentioned here. I will provide all the links. So the very first step to apply for the same is NQT registration. So very firstly you will have to register through this link. So this is the TCS ION Hub official link. So I will provide this link. Through this link you have to first register for this opportunity. After that, in steps 2, next step, portal registration. So registration is mandatory for TCS Smart Hiring interviews. Post the generation of your NQT ID through NQT registration. Registration is mandatory on the next step portal. So once you are done with step 1, you will have to register on the next step portal. So go to the below link if you are willing to register on the next step portal. And in step 3, you are required to register under IT section of TCS. So here they have mentioned the important note that your candidature of TCS Smart Hiring will be considered only after completing the below mentioned steps. So I will provide the link for the same in the description box of the video. So go to the description box and follow all these steps they have mentioned here so that you can easily register for this TCS Smart Hiring. And also for any assistance you can mail them. They have mentioned here their official mail ID. You can mail them if you have any type of query, or you can just call on their helpline number. So here they have mentioned the toll-free number. If you come across any type of doubts and queries, just call on this number. So further we'll talk about the test details. So the test will have total 80 questions that will be answered in 120 minutes. That the total duration for the test will be 2 hours, and it comprises the below sections. So there are total 3 sections. In verbal ability they'll ask you 24 questions for 30 minutes, and in reasoning ability they will ask you 30 questions for 50 minutes, and in numerical ability they will ask you 26 questions and give you a time limit of 40 minutes. So talking about the eligibility criteria, so a candidate should be full-time graduate from BSc, BCA, BCS, vocational 2021 year of passing in the streams like computer science, IT, statistics, chemistry, electronics and maths. So these are the streams they have mentioned. And talking about the percentage criteria, CGPA of 5 or 50% throughout academics in 10th, 12th, BSc, BCA, BCS and B vocational, computer science, IT, statistics, chemistry, electronics and maths. So percentage criteria is of 50% or CGPA is of 5. Backlog criteria will be only one active backlog shall be permissible at the time of preparing for the process. So only one active backlog is allowed. And talking about the gap criteria, overall gaps in academic should not exceed beyond 2. So the overall in your academic the gap should not be more than 2 years. Minimum 2 year of gap is allowed. Further, TCS would be doing eligibility checks at various stages of the selection process. If a student is found to be ineligible at any stage of the process, TCS reverses every right to not proceed with the candidature. And the age should be between 18 to 28 years at the time of taking the test. The age should be between 18 to 28 years at the time of taking the test, and students from NIOS can take the test if they have a full-time graduation. Students should not have any extended educational in their highest qualifications. So these are the things in eligibility criteria. Further, you can just click here on frequently asked questions to read all the most questions students ask regarding this TCS NQT hiring. So you can just go through all these questions and find all the answers. They already mentioned the answers also. So in this way we have seen how one can apply for this TCS Smart hiring process. We also saw all the detailed information regarding this. So I hope you guys like this video. I upload this kind of videos on a regular basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon and like this video and share this video with all your friends who are looking forward to apply to this TCS Smart hiring. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.